What's up, guys? What you guys say about Pinetops Dodge Point?
It really is crazy out here, man. I don't know how I made it. Man, I barely made it with the Tacoma 1983. I barely made it with that. I did, but I didn't.
Hey, but come here. What you guys say?
Well, it was approximately around 4:30 when I came out here. Water was in the dish, you know, it was pretty full. And then around approximately 5:02, water started coming out the roads, you know, and it was pretty scary. It was pretty scary. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty scary. And so everybody started evacuating. So.
Hey, what you guys say about Dodge Point?
Porque negro. ¿Y los ojos? Negro. Te digo, pues.
What you guys say about Dodge Point? Do you win? What you guys say? Nothing. This is going for my 50,000 viewers on YouTube.
I lost my shit.